In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Meta AI on Facebook. Now, you might be wondering how to access this powerful tool on your desktop browser version of Facebook. Meta AI is automatically enabled across all Facebook platforms, so there's no need to search for a switch or a settings menu to turn it on. However, if you've previously muted it or are having trouble finding it, I'll guide you through the native entry points available in the desktop layout. Let's start by accessing Meta AI directly from your home feed. On the left-hand navigation sidebar, you'll see a variety of icons. Look for the Meta AI icon and click on it. This action will redirect you to a new tab. Once you're there, you'll have three main options. You can ask Meta AI questions, add media and files, or create content. If you want to generate images, begin your prompt with the word imagine followed by your creative command. Then press enter. A dedicated AI results panel will open, providing you with the information or creative content you requested. Next up, let's talk about accessing Meta AI through Messenger. This is another convenient way to interact with Meta AI. Click on the Messenger icon located on the top menu bar, right next to your profile picture. Once Messenger opens, head to the search box. Type Meta AI into the search field. Here you can ask questions just as you would on the Meta AI web interface. This feature allows you to seamlessly integrate AI assistants into your regular messaging routine. Now, here's an important note. If you do not see these options on your desktop browser, there are a few things you should check. First, ensure you're not using a localized URL like mbasic.facebook.com. This version strips out AI elements so it won't display the Meta AI interface. Additionally, check for any active ad blockers or script blocking extensions. These can inadvertently hide the Meta AI interface. It's important to turn them off to ensure full functionality and visibility of Meta AI. Accessing Meta AI through these native entry points is designed to be straightforward and intuitive. The integration into Facebook's platform means you don't have to jump through hoops or navigate complex settings. This ease of use is what makes Meta AI a valuable tool for enhancing your Facebook experience. Remember, whether you're generating creative content or asking for information, Meta AI is there to assist you. It's always ready to provide answers or create something new at your command. With the simple clicks and entry points we've discussed, you can harness the power of Meta AI without any hassle. This seamless access is important because it ensures that the tools you need are always at your fingertips, saving you both time and effort. As you start using Meta AI, you'll appreciate the convenience it brings to your Facebook interactions. Whether you're on the home feed or in Messenger, Meta AI is integrated to work with you, making your experience more dynamic and engaging. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to enable and access Meta AI on Facebook. With these steps, you're now equipped to explore the possibilities that Meta AI offers. Enjoy your enhanced Facebook experience.